In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to back up WhatsApp messages in laptop or PC. Let's get started. First, log into WhatsApp and go to Settings. Then tap on Chats. You'll notice that unlike on mobile device, there's no direct backup option for PC. That's because WhatsApp does not officially allow full cloud style backups to a PC. However, there is still a workaround you can use. You can manually export your chats one by one. To do this, open any chat, tap on the contact or group name, and look for the export chat option. From there, you can choose to export it with or without media. Once exported, you can send the file to your email or transfer it to your PC using WhatsApp, desktop, or other file transfer methods. This way, you can still save important conversations even though it's not a full automatic backup system. So basically, there is no direct built in way to fully back up WhatsApp chats to a PC, and WhatsApp itself confirms this limitation. The only option available is manually exporting of chats. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.